If you use LibreOffice Calc and want to clean up your spreadsheet without deleting any notes, this quick tutorial is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide comments in LibreOffice Calc in just a few simple steps. This is a great way to keep your sheet looking neat and professional while still keeping important information stored inside the cell. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, you can either start a new file by clicking Calc Spreadsheet on the left side under Create, or you can open an existing spreadsheet that already has comments in it. If you already have your sheet open, go to the cell that contains the visible comment. These are usually the little notes that appear when you hover over or select a cell. Now right-click the cell with the comment you want to hide. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click Hide Comment. As soon as you do that, the comment will disappear from view, but it will not be deleted. It will still remain attached to the cell, so you can bring it back later if you need to review it. This is useful when you want to reduce clutter, prepare a spreadsheet for sharing, or make your worksheet easier to read without losing any information. If you ever need to see the comment again, you can usually return to the same cell and manage it from there. So the process is very simple. Open LibreOffice Calc, find the cell with the visible comment, right-click it, and choose Hide Comment. That's all it takes. A very important thing to remember is that hiding a comment is not the same as removing it. Your comment is still there safely inside the cell, which makes this a much better option than deleting it if you only want to clean up the display. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy LibreOffice tips, spreadsheet tricks, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.